You've probably noticed that sometimes AI just sounds like, well, AI. But what if I told you there is a single setting that you can enable to allow ChatGPT to sound way more human? That's what I'm going to be showing you in today's video, guys. If you find this content useful, drop a like, drop a sub, and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I've pulled up an example here just to show you before we get into it. I've asked ChatGPT to write me a LinkedIn post on the new updates of ChatGPT. Looking at its response, you can see it uses a bunch of emojis, it uses a bunch of M dashes. If I scroll down, lots more emojis, lots more M dashes. And at this point, everyone knows that something like this was written by AI. Unfortunately, we are at a time where M dashes can no longer be used because everyone knows that ChatGPT loves them. So let me show you how we can fix this by just sending ChatGPT a single prompt. So the text file I have open on my screen right here is a prompt that was first developed by Sabrina Romanoff. So shout out to her for whipping up this beautiful prompt. I have slightly adapted it to hit the character limit in ChatGPT's personalization instructions, which I will show you in just a sec. The first way to get ChatGPT to sound more like a human is simply copying and pasting this prompt right into the text bubble at the bottom. Let's see how it does with this LinkedIn post now. So you can see it's automatically getting rid of all the M dashes and all the emojis. And just reading it, you can see that it does sound a lot more like a human wrote this. And it was as simple as just copying and pasting a prompt. Now, I'm going to be pasting this prompt down below for you guys for an easy copy and paste into your ChatGPT. But now here's where the money lies. If we head over to the bottom left corner where our profile picture is, which my face is currently covering. So let me move that over here for you guys. And we click on that, you will see settings and you will also see personalization. Let's go ahead and click personalization. Right here, you can see that there's a section that is called custom instructions. If we paste the prompt in this section and press save, now anytime we use ChatGPT on this account, it will always follow these instructions. This essentially means that any conversation you have now with ChatGPT, following these rules, it will sound a lot more human. It will get rid of the M dashes, it will get rid of the emojis, and it will just sound overall better. So I highly suggest you guys doing this. That's really all there is to it. Again, if you guys found this video, drop a like, drop a sub, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.